Mr. Belford. Mr. Belford.
The fuck out of fuck.
Sir, we need to ask you some questions.
You fucking kidding me? Fuck you.
Come on, get up.
Well, get the fuck out of my house.
Let's go. Come on.
I've been
get
here
up.
all night.
Let's
Been
go.
sitting here all night. What the fuck are you talking about?
Where you taking him?
What the fuck you taking?
Let's go.
Where you taking him? You ain't got no warrant. Just come up in people's house like that.
I'm sorry.
Did you drive your car tonight, Mr. Belfort?
Well?
Wow. Maybe I hadn't made it home okay.
Did you drive that car tonight?
Yeah, right.
I'm a family man. Family man. Honey!
It was a miracle I wasn't killed. Well, you know that I didn't kill anybody else. The cops took me in for questioning, but they couldn't charge me. They had no proof I was even behind the wheel.